Hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Sporify Learn. Let's continue with the module 4 of DMS. I'm saying DBMS, okay. I'm sorry. And now let's see. Determine the number of positive integers such as n is less than or equal to 100, greater than or equal to 1, divisible by this, okay. You take the set of numbers, consider it as A1, A2, A3 and all subsets and all 2, 3, 5. And if you have to remember the formula of A1 intersection A2 intersection A3 is equals to, you have to find, okay. Now if you have 100 divided by 2, because the numbers they have given is 2, 3 and 5, divide by all, okay, you'll be getting some value. And if you substitute the value and you have got A1, A2, A3, these three value now you have to be A1, A2, A1, A3, A1, A2, A1, A3, A2, A3, and next like that only A1, A2, A3. And if you have to take this, you will be having a LCM of 2 and 3, 2 and 5, 3 and 5, 2, 3 and 5, all the three values, and you will be having the principle of inclusion and exclusion. And you will see here, if you have to find this last value, you will be having that as S, that is the value which is total, which is given in the question. And even A2, A3, you will be taking 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. That all you will be summing up, and you will be getting at last the answer that will be the required result. And again, I have given the same question. Sorry for repeating the answer. Sorry, it should be here 26. Okay. Oh, sorry guys, it is not divisible. Okay, so you will be taking as LCM. Okay, here it is divisible by exact. Okay, sorry, I got confused. Okay, see here what you'll be doing here is just you'll be taking the set of multiples of 2, 3 and 5. Okay, how many are there in so yeah, 1 to 100 numbers if you take, set of multiples of 2 and set of multiples of 3 and set of multiples of 5. Okay, you will be taking. That means you will be taking the values and just you will be adding that, and you will be having means you will be getting the value. Just you divide, okay. You will be getting the values, and again it is for at least the same type. And here it is about the out of 30 hostel students in a hostel study history and economics and all they have given. See, they have given first total, you take it out and you take the intersection, that is how many of you are studying common subjects. And next what you will be doing, first take individual, that is total 30 students are there, minus who are studying AI, one subject, two subjects and three, and you subtract and you will be getting S2 minus 2 only you will be getting. So you have to find the value for S2, okay. When you have to find the value for S2, what you will be doing, AIHA, that is one value and two value, that should be greater than or equal to 9, but you know the value of 9, okay. So if you do 9 minus 7, this value will be getting as 7, so that will be the answer for 7 minus 2, that is the value for S2. I hope you got that. Next is about the how many ways can the letter 26 letter in alphabet car, dog, pun or bite can be occurring means. Just I'll be saying for one in one short video which I'll do tomorrow. I'll be explaining in detail. Now you just see a bit and you can go through that. Tomorrow you can easily revise that, okay. If you take the A set of all permutation in a car appears, word car, okay, car consists of three letters from a single block, okay. It will form a single block means, that is you take 20. How many letters are there? Total 26. You remove all these three, you will be having 23. Okay, you take it out 23 and you add it 1. So it will be 24 factorial. That is 1 plus 23. Okay, that you how you got this. And you take A2, A3, A4 or something, and again for dog and bite also. And again you will be taking it as just the formula you know, radius and 1. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that's it you will be doing, and your last will be adding, you'll be getting the value. Next is about the, there are n children of gloves in a box, like each pair is of different color. Right gloves are distributed at random n children, and thereafter left gloves are also distributed in random means find the probability that no children gets a matching pair. Okay, that means one, if you have n factorial ways, okay, you'll be having 1 minus 1 by 1 factorial, 1 by 2 factorial. How many students are there? Up to n you'll be having. Next is about the gets a matching pair is 1 by n factorial. How many numbers are there? That many. One child will get means 1 by n, that is one children by n of minus 1. That means you will subtract it and then you will add the previous when they get no. That's it. And 2 means you will be adding P1 and P3 or anything you can add it. Next is the derangements again, which is easy. 1 to 3 in same order means d into dn is equals to dn whole square. Okay, if you want dn plus 1 n plus 2 up to 2n, you'll be having the n places in same order means it will be n factorial. That means in 2 order means n into n factorial. 8. Okay, 8 ways means you will be having d8. Okay, you have to find the value of d8. 8 factorial into 0.3679. That how you got is 8 factorial divided by e. Okay, that you do means you will be getting, and the value will be 25490. Next, again you can find out this also. Again it is 4 factorial into 1 minus 1 factorial. Again the same way you will be finding out. 24 cancels, 9 will be remaining. Next, about the root polynomial, one question I'll be saying in this video. Next, all I'll be uploading in one shot videos. See, they have given the 3x3 board, right? That is empty board. Now you have to fill it in such a way that should not be having, it should not mark, okay? The shaded part or deleted part, okay? Now what you will be doing, you will be taking it as one column, one row, okay? This is, and this also, and this also. See, this should form a circle, that is, you can find 2, okay? This 1, 2, 3 and 4, okay? That is the 4 single blocks can be there, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Another which you can see here is 1, 1 you can do, 2, 2, that is having 2, okay? Now again 3, no, 1, 2, 3 if you form, they will not be in the same circle. So you will not be having 4. 4 also it will not be same. So you'll be having 1, 4 and 2, that is having square. And that if you solve by using this formula, again you'll be getting the same answer, and here you can see the value you will be adding, substituting, and you'll get an equation. Again the same way for 5 teachers also. Just you will be deleting the part which is not needed. They have said here how many, see here, for one teacher for T1 and T2 will does not wish to come to the class for C1 and C2. T1 and T2, T1, T2 will not come for C1, C2 means you will be deleting all these, and T3, T4 for C3, T3, T4 will not come here, okay? And they have said T5 for these 3 also. So you'll be deleting the part and you'll be taking rest of it, 1, 2, 3 like that, and okay. And you'll be substituting the values again as I said, and you can take this as a single, see here what you have here is this as a single block and this as a single block, and solve and go. Here you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, and here you can solve 2, okay, and 3 cannot be formed. Here you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 2 you can form it as these two, these two, these two, these two, again these two, these two, these two, again 10 ways you can be forming these two and all. And if you see 3 here, either you can form like this or like this, okay. Next is about the 4. 4 you cannot form, so it is 0. Disjoint support, then you'll be solving the same way. And this is also again a bank based interest, and if you have 4%, they have said how many percent will be there, and if you take the quarterly rate as x by 4, that is x by 400, pn plus 1 will be pn plus x by 400 into pn only you'll be adding, and the central solution you'll get, and the log you'll be using and solving. Next is about the virus effect. This also you can see, this is the recursive relation I have already explained in module 3 video. Next is the recursive relation. I have explained in that video also. Please do check that and you'll be getting. That's all for this module. And next I'll be uploading module 5 also as soon as possible. Thank you for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye. Make sure to like, share, comment and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Until next video, bye bye.